today going to show you egg surprises. It's toys inside. So let's get started. First, I'm going to do with the white one. Let's see. Oh, it's a cat. Here is our cat. Looks cute. Now I'm going to use this one. And we got here Cinderella. Here's our Cinderella. I put her this. Now I'm going to use this one. So let's see. Ooh. And it's Spike the Dragon. Ina looks cute. The red one. Okay. We have Clover from Sophia the First. Let's see this one. Oh, it's the Sophia the First. Now let's see this one. Who it is? Oh, and it's Mia from Sophia the First. Let's see who he is. Ooh, it's not a person. It's a hairbrush. It's from Equestria Girls. Let's put that here. Okay. This one is the last one, I think. Oh, and it's a frog. Here we have our frog. So thank you guys for seeing my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.